Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the third position from the right we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got in total 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let's start with 10 seconds delay. Let me tap on it, and as you can see the icon will change, so you can be sure, you can always check quickly whether you've got the timer set or not. Now we have to simply tap on this shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, we've got it. Of course, you can choose 5 and 3 seconds delay in the same manner, or you can turn it off just by tapping on this kind of default icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.